Have you ever wondered what it takes to stand against an entire society for the truth? This is the remarkable story of Prophet Ibrahim, as a man who questioned the beliefs of his time and embarked on a journey to discover the true Creator. His unwavering faith and courage in the face of immense challenges not only changed his life, but shaped the course of history. Stay with us as we uncover his journey to Tawheed, pure monotheism, and the powerful lessons it holds for us today. Early life of Prophet Ibrahim. As Prophet Ibrahim, was born in a land ruled by King Nimrod, where idol worship and polytheism were deeply ingrained in society. His father, Azar, was a maker of idols, contributing to the widespread devotion to false gods. Despite growing up in this environment, Ibrahim, was naturally inclined to question the beliefs around him. From a young age, he showed a sharp intellect and a deep desire to seek the truth. He observed the practices of his people and realized the irrationality of worshiping lifeless statues that could neither speak nor help themselves. Even as a child, Ibrahim demonstrated the courage to challenge the norms, paving the way for his eventual mission to guide humanity toward Tawheed, the worship of Allah alone. This early curiosity and determination set the foundation for Ibrahim's journey as a prophet and a model of unwavering faith. Ibrahim's journey to Tawheed. Prophet Ibrahim's journey to discovering Tawheed began with his deep reflections on the natural world. Observing the sun, moon, and stars, he questioned their divinity, recognizing their impermanence as they set and disappeared. Through this process, Ibrahim realized that the true Creator must be eternal, powerful, and beyond the limitations of creation. Finally, he proclaimed his belief in the one true God, saying, "I've turned my face towards the one who created the heavens and the earth, and I am not among the polytheists." Quran 6:79. This realization solidified his mission to guide others to Allah, the Creator of all things. His journey to Tawheed teaches us the importance of reflection, reasoning, and seeking the truth in understanding our Creator and purpose in life. Confrontation with his people. After discovering the truth of Tawheed, Prophet Ibrahim courageously confronted his people about their idol worship. He questioned how lifeless statues, incapable of seeing, hearing, or helping themselves, could be considered gods. Despite his logical arguments, his people stubbornly clung to their traditions and ridiculed him. To demonstrate the futility of their beliefs, Ibrahim destroyed the idols in their temple, leaving only the largest one intact. When questioned, he said, "Ask the largest idol if it can speak." This bold act exposed the falsehood of their worship, yet instead of reflecting, they grew angrier. Their leaders, threatened by his message, sought to punish him, but Ibrahim remained steadfast. His fearless confrontation with his people highlights the power of truth, reason, and unwavering faith in Allah. The trial by fire. Prophet Ibrahim's defiance of idol worship enraged his people, especially after he destroyed their idols to prove their helplessness. Determined to punish him, they built a massive fire and prepared to cast him into it as a public spectacle. Despite the threat, Ibrahim remained steadfast, placing his complete trust in Allah. As he was thrown into the fire, Allah commanded, "O fire, be coolness and safety for Ibrahim." Quran 21:69. Miraculously, the flames did not harm him, and he emerged unscathed, demonstrating Allah's power and protection for his faithful servant. This trial by fire became a defining moment in Ibrahim's life, proving his unwavering faith and Allah's support for those who stand firm in their belief. It serves as a timeless reminder of the rewards of trust and submission to Allah. Migration and the call to Tawheed. After facing relentless rejection and hostility from his people, Prophet Ibrahim received Allah's command to leave his homeland. He migrated with his family, including his wife Sarah and nephew Lot, to spread the message of Tawheed. His journey took him through several regions, including Egypt, Palestine, and Arabia, where he continued calling people to worship Allah alone. One of the most significant events during his migration was settling his wife Hajar and their son Ismail, in the barren valley of Mecca. This act of faith was instrumental in establishing Mecca as a sacred place. Later, with Ismail, Ibrahim built the Kaaba as a house of worship dedicated to Allah, marking it as a central symbol of monotheism. Ibrahim's migration highlights his unwavering dedication to his mission and his trust in Allah's guidance, teaching us the importance of sacrifice and spreading the truth. The ultimate test of faith, one of the most profound moments in Prophet Ibrahim's life, was the command from Allah to sacrifice his beloved son, Ismail, This was a test of unparalleled faith and submission. When Ibrahim shared the vision with his son, Ismail responded with remarkable trust in Allah, saying, "O my father, do as you are commanded. You will find me, if Allah wills, among the patient." Quran 37:102. As Ibrahim prepared to fulfill the command, Allah replaced Ismail with a ram, sparing his life and declaring Ibrahim's faith as proven. This act of submission is commemorated annually during Eid al-Adha, reminding Muslims of the importance of obedience, sacrifice, and trust in Allah's wisdom. This ultimate test symbolizes the deep bond between faith and surrender to Allah, inspiring believers to prioritize their devotion above all else. Key lessons from Ibrahim's journey. The pursuit of truth. Ibrahim teaches us to question falsehood, reflect deeply, and seek the truth about our Creator. His journey shows that faith is strengthened through understanding and reason. Unwavering faith and trust in Allah. From facing the fire to sacrificing his son, Ibrahim demonstrated complete reliance on Allah. His life reminds us to trust Allah's wisdom, even in the most challenging moments. Courage to stand alone. Ibrahim stood firm in his beliefs, even when the entire society opposed him. This highlights the importance of standing up for the truth, regardless of societal pressure. The power of submission. His willingness to submit fully to Allah's commands, whether migrating or building the Kaaba, teaches us the essence of Islam, complete submission to the will of Allah. Legacy of monotheism. Ibrahim laid the foundation of Tawheed, influencing future generations. His story inspires us to carry forward the message of monotheism with sincerity and dedication. These lessons from Ibrahim's journey guide us to live with faith, courage, and devotion in our own lives.